Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we are back to our update on tropical depression Queenie with international name Banyan. This is for today, Tuesday, November 1st, 2022, and this is brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Aboitiz Power and Naga College Foundation. Well, we are now going to close this system. It's now the final update since Depression Queenie is no longer a tropical cyclone. It's just a remnant area of low pressure along the east coast of Surigao provinces. And as you can see here from the last zoom out fast animation from the University of Wisconsin Tropical Cyclone page, you can clearly see here the remnant cloudiness of the LPA, which is now moving northwest and bringing some showers across northern Caraga like Surigao del Norte, Siargao, and Dinagat Islands. And in the next 24 hours, this area of cloudiness, which is part of the remnant LPA named Queenie, is now expected to move towards summer and bring some showers as well across the Bicol Region within the next 24 to 48 hours. So bring your umbrellas and rain gear, especially in the afternoon or evening. Here's Typhoon Nalgae, Paeng, and it's now starting to weaken into a severe tropical storm as it moves closer towards Guangdong province, where Hong Kong is located. So expect some high winds across these coastal waters of China. Elsewhere, calm conditions, good weather, hot sunny skies, and high heat index will be expected all throughout the archipelago, with some troughing here. And also there is some troughing over Luzon, but it's starting to wane down and weaken as we progress through Wednesday. And the usual localized thunderstorms will be the thing of the weather situation across the Philippine Islands within the next couple of days. Here's the displaced rain bands of Queenie as early as this morning. The satellite visible animation and still image revealed the exposed center of Queenie, and much of the displaced rain bands are more to the west, approaching Mindanao. And we are going to show to you the dry air entering the circulation of Queenie. So this is the dry air. This is around this is less water vapor, meaning we have some dry air infusion into the circulation of tropical depression Queenie, which is just a low pressure area. So this is the dry air that killed the system and became elongated. Here's the latest from the windy.com zoom in satellite animation. There are still some rain thunderstorms expected over northeastern Mindanao, and this cloudiness will be moving towards eastern Visayas within the next 12 to 24 hours, and is likely to reach the Bicol Region as well by tomorrow afternoon or Thursday. So expect some rains and thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening, while the rest of the archipelago will have good weather with isolated rain showers in the afternoon or evening. Here's the final track that we issued early this morning, and as you can see, this is the storm, and for the next 24 hours since this morning, it is likely to weaken into a low pressure area. It's now a low pressure system as we speak at this time. And here's the forecast track of all Asian agencies on Nalgae or Paeng, and it's likely within the next 48 hours it will make landfall over western Guangdong, west of Hong Kong. So please take all necessary precautions. As for the wind forecast for the next 3 days, we expect some improving weather conditions to occur in most parts of the country, and some light to moderate easterly surface wind flow will prevail come Friday across the Philippine Islands, with some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening. And before we leave you, here's the latest GraphSat that we issued for today, November 1st until tomorrow, November 2nd. This is our first GraphSat since the development of Paeng. We are not issuing GraphSat when we are too busy with a cyclone. So right now we're back to normal conditions. This is just a added feature. When we don't have tropical cyclones, we issue daily GraphSat. But during tropical cyclone occurrence, especially if it's going to make landfall of the Philippine Islands, we expect an absence of this GraphSat, but now we resume it once again, back to our normal GraphSat. There you go. This is the storm Nalgae or Paeng, some troughing across Luzon, northeast monsoon over Taiwan, and we have a frontal system moving to the west, moving to the east of Okinawa, out to the open seas. And here's the remnants of tropical depression Banyan or Queenie, almost moving so slowly over the central portions of the South Philippine Sea. Its trough will bring showers and thunderstorms across Samar, Leyte, and northeastern Mindanao within the next 24 hours. And even this cloudiness will reach the... Also, this cloudiness is expected to reach the Bicol Region within the next 24 hours. So there you go. That's our latest for this Tuesday evening, and we are going to close now the special coverage or the updates on tropical cyclones affecting the Philippine Islands. We will resume to our usual tropical weather analysis beginning on Friday, since we need some rest for tomorrow. This is Mike saying good night, stay safe always. Be #weatherwiser, and thank you so much for watching our channel.